What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning C++. My name is QD Azani and you guys watching my channel Corio. Alright, we have progressed in our pointers, and today I'm going to discuss with you guys a pointer to a pointer. So say for example, this is a very tricky example. Say we've got for example, three variables. We've got two variables. We've got x of type int, and just let you guys know that you cannot cast pointers from the int to double or float or any other data type. It has to be the same data type. It has to be int. So I just want to tell you guys, clarify this before we continue. So our x variables, which is the type int, data type int, it's got a 700 value. Say in the previous video I've shown you guys how we declare our pointer. So we have a pointer. So now we have I should declare my pointers before I begin. So we've got an x and we have a pointer y. Alright, so we have two pointers. We have a pointer y and we have a variable x. In this variable x got a 700 assigned to it, and now we're gonna point this one to x. So what we do is that we say we don't need to put int here. I'm going to remove the int because we already declared it. So I'm going to put say y is now got this x. All right. So now what I'm trying to say is that now this y, which is a pointer and is pointing towards this x, which has a value of 700. So if we go there and see out of y is, so because the y is a pointer, and we put a y and we endl. Alright, so we're gonna build our project. Alright, so looks like our program is good, and you guys gonna see. Okay, so the value of y pointer, we should put a pointer. Okay, so the y pointer, which is a pointer and pointing towards the x. Okay, so now the value of y is 700, as you guys seen here in the console. Alright, so how about we have a pointer, which is how we're gonna point to this guy here. So if this guy if this guy is pointing to this guy here, and this guy got the value of 700, how about if you create another pointer? How are we gonna create another pointer to point to this pointer? So and for that one, if you have a variable say z, then you guys need to put a double asterisk, and now this pointer is double pointer, is gonna point to the pointer. Alright, so now this pointer, you guys got for the pointer, you guys so far we have learned to put one asterisk, and you guys all you guys need to put a double asterisk. So this is a pointer to a pointer. Okay, so what happens is that our z is equal to, we put an end to our y. That's it. So you've got a now you've got a z, and z is pointing to a pointer here. So if you guys know, so I'm gonna put another see out, and you guys gotta put a literal string, and if you guys want to put a line here, and we put an endl. Okay, so here we're gonna put it the value of pointer to a pointer, pointer to a pointer is So this is a pointer to a pointer, and you guys put a double strict Z. That's it. So now this Z, which is a pointer, also is pointing to this pointer Y, and this Y is pointing to this guy here above X. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna run our program. Okay, so the value of the Y is 700. The value of pointer to a pointer is also 700. So if you guys see here, that's the value of the Y. You guys already know how to see the value of X, the original value. So if you guys want to see here as well, which is going to be 700. So the value of X is, which you guys can put X here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna copy and paste this one here. Okay, so now I'm gonna, okay, the value of X is this guy here, which represents this one here, which is going to output that one. Then there's a line here, then the value of Y is, so the Y is here. If you guys see here, it's a pointer. So this, the pointer is pointing to this X, which is 700, to the memory location of this X. And now this is a pointer to a pointer, which points to this pointer. It's Y, and this has got the value of the Y, as you guys seen here. If you run again for the last time, and if you guys see the original value and the value of the pointer, this is the original value 700 of X, and this is the value of Y, which is a pointer pointing towards X, and this is the value of a pointer to a pointer, which is 700, which is X, Y, Z. This is a Z, which is pointing to pointer Y, which this Y is pointing to X. And that's how you guys do your double, if you guys see double asterisk somewhere in your programming, and any programming, or if you want guys confused how to you guys gonna do your pointing to a pointer, so that's how you guys use this double asterisk. So double asterisk represent a pointer to a pointer. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys got the concept of this pointer to a pointer or pointer. If you guys got any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.